Hello everyone, and welcome to our tour guide of the Salamone Reservoir. I am Jacob Enyart.
And I am Martin Webb.
And what we're going to do today is give you a tour of the trees, wildlife, and other activities at the reservoir.
Of course, since you'll be seeing many types of trees, we should list what types of trees you will be seeing in the reservoir. There are several types of oak, including oak hickory, oak pine, and cherry oak. There are 600 types of oak in America. The difference between the types of oak are the color of wood, bark, leaves, and their use of the wood. There's also sycamore trees and several types of birch. Trees are very important to the reservoir.
There's a lot of wildlife at the Salamone Reservoir. If you step inside for a while, you will find many animals on display. Those animals include turtles, snakes, and even an owl. But now we need to talk about invasive species. An invasive species is an animal brought from somewhere else to a place where it could cause harm. Two examples are zebra mussels and Asian carp. At the Salamone Reservoir, they have a serious problem with zebra mussels. Zebra mussels come from Russian rivers, and they are about fingernail size, but they can grow up to become 2 inches. They can attach themselves to any surface with an outer organ called bisol. They are a major upset to ecosystem, threaten wildlife, and destroy structures. We need to stop the spread of these annoying pests.
The Salamone Reservoir is part of the Wabash River. It is 11,594 acres and used for a lot of activities like fishing and boating. You can find a lot of fish in the Salamone Reservoir. You can find largemouth bass, walleye, channel catfish, black bass, bluegill, and sunfish. The water is at its highest in the winter and lowest in the summer. The carrying capacity is the amount of fish it can hold when it's at its lowest. Carrying capacity is the maximum population an ecosystem can hold. If the carrying capacity is too high, the competition for food will also be high, and the animals who don't get food eventually will get weak and die off. There's also a pond at the Salamone Reservoir. You can find the same fish in this pond.
In the summer and winter, there is a lot of activities to do at the Salamone Reservoir. The activities include amphitheater, basketball, biking trails, boating, canoeing, kayaking, cross-country, fishing, ice fishing, hiking, horseshoe, hunting, mountain biking, picnicking, playgrounds, snowmobile, swimming, volleyball, and water skiing.
The 4 cycles of nature are water, carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus cycles. The water cycle starts in the atmosphere, and then it will fall down as precipitation, and it will enter either the water, a river, an ocean, or land. Then it will go back up into the atmosphere. The carbon cycle starts from us humans or dead organisms. The carbon will go into the atmosphere and then go back down into plants and the ground, plus bodies of water, and then it will start over again. The nitrogen cycle starts in the atmosphere, then it will go into the ground and make the plants and ground fertile. Then it will go back up into the atmosphere, either by animals or plants. The phosphorus cycle starts with sediment from runoff, and then it will go into a body of water or into the soil, where it helps plants and animals. In the body of water, it will build up and start to build up in a mountain or hill, and it will start over again. These are the 4 cycles of nature. We hope that this virtual tour guide has been helpful to you, and we hope that from this and the pamphlet you have received, that they have both helped you navigate the reservoir with ease and learn many different kinds of things about our reservoir. We'd like to thank you for listening to our virtual tour guide, and this has been Martin Webb and Jacob Enyart representing our group. Thank you.